Hello YouTube, good morning. I just ordered a Formula X puncture solution for my X-Pulse. Doing an unboxing. Let's see what's in the box. Amazon, as always. Great packing. Wow, looks cool. It says Formula X Motorcycle Pro DIY pack. No more punctures. Good for tube and tubeless tires. Wow, okay, impressive. And guys, this costed me 1,350 rupees on Amazon. Okay, a lot of instructions here in terms of how you need to install it for the best results, etc. We will get there later at the time of installation, but at this point, let's check what's in the box. Okay, it is taped. Let me open up the tapes. Here it goes. I think this is one pouch of gel for the rear tire. It says 500 ml. And guys, this can be used in bikes like Duke, 390, Bullet and X-Pulse. So in terms of quantity, the Pro Pack, as it says, the Pro DIY. Alright, so this is 325 ml for the front tire. Okay, I think this is the roller where you need to fix the pouch at the end and keep rolling this to push the liquid into your tires. Okay, it's got the fillet tube and the valve plug to remove the ball pin, and instructions in there. That's about it. So guys, so watch this space for the next video, which is going to be on the installation of this product in my X-Pulse. Thank you.